I have a roommate. I have a roommate. They talk to me. They talk to me. They share the room. They share the room. They sleep nearby. They sleep nearby. They eat with me. They eat with me. They laugh loudly. They laugh loudly. They tell stories. They tell stories. They help me. They help me. They clean together. They clean together. They study hard. They study hard. They play games. They play games. They watch TV. They watch TV. They draw pictures. They draw pictures. They listen to music. They listen to music. They brush their teeth. They brush their teeth. They comb their hair. They comb their hair. They wave goodbye. They wave goodbye. They promise to return. They promise to return. I wait for them. I wait for them. I miss my roommate. I miss my roommate.